Hey everyone, it's giveaway time. We're giving away that dining table, the riftcutwhiteoak. See over there, and then Trinda will put up from the show this beautiful table we got. So YouTube, we can't find anyone who isn't public. So whoever our followers are that are actually public are entered in to win this table. We have 37 YouTube, 189 Instagram, and 412 from Facebook. And we added all up to 638 followers total. And now we're gonna generate and see who the lucky winner is. 583. So that's anything after, I guess, so no YouTube, no Instagram, it's a Facebook winner. So everyone from Facebook. Now I have to do the tedious task of finding that person.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so it's 55 from the bottom on Facebook. Is that correct? Yeah.
Yes.
So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
2 hours later.
53, 54. Here's the last one. Ready? Who is it? Right there. Wesley Allen McDonald. That's the winner.
Wesley Allen McLeod.
McLeod, sorry.
McLeod.
McLeod, cut that out. I can't click on him. Okay, you have to remember that.
Okay.
That's our winner.
All right.
So enjoy your dining table.
Congratulations.
As soon as we get a hold of you.